Unwanted hair can be frustrating and time-consuming to manage. Imagine achieving smooth, hair-free skin without constant upkeep. Here's our countdown on the top 10 DIY methods that can help you reduce or even permanently remove unwanted hair. Watch to the end for the best method. 10. Spearmint tea. Some studies suggest that drinking spearmint tea may help reduce excess hair growth caused by hormonal imbalances. This works by reducing levels of androgens, hormones responsible for increased hair growth. How to use: brew spearmint tea and drink it regularly. 9. Oatmeal and banana scrub. For a gentle but effective exfoliating scrub, oatmeal and banana make a fantastic combination. The texture of oatmeal helps pull out hair, while banana leaves the skin soft and hydrated. It's especially good for sensitive skin. How to use: mash a banana and add oatmeal to form a paste. Apply in a circular motion and rinse off. 8. Cornstarch and milk paste. A cornstarch and milk paste forms a sticky layer on the skin, similar to an egg mask. When peeled off, it pulls fine hair with it, making it great for facial hair. How to use: mix cornstarch and milk to form a paste. Apply, let dry, and peel off. 7. Baking soda and turmeric scrub. A gentle exfoliant. Baking soda helps remove dead skin cells and may weaken hair over time, while turmeric works as an anti-inflammatory. This combination is particularly effective for facial hair when used regularly. How to use: mix equal parts baking soda and turmeric with a bit of water to form a paste. Massage onto the skin. Let sit for a few minutes and rinse off. 6. Potato and lentil paste. Potatoes are natural bleaching agents, while lentils, when ground, help form a thick paste that adheres to hair. The combination can lighten and gradually reduce hair. How to use: soak lentils overnight, then grind to a paste. Mix with potato juice and apply. Once dry, rub off to remove hair. 5. Honey and lemon mix. Honey and lemon can work wonders for reducing hair growth. Lemon naturally bleaches and lightens hair, while honey moisturizes and provides antibacterial properties. Over time, this mixture can help reduce the prominence of unwanted hair. How to use: mix honey and lemon juice in a 2-to-1 ratio. Apply to the skin and leave for 20 minutes before rinsing off. 4. Egg mask. Egg masks are popular for facial hair removal. When applied, the mask dries to form a peelable layer that removes hair upon removal. How to use: combine an egg white with a tablespoon of sugar and half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Apply, let dry, and peel off. 3. Gelatin and milk peel-off mask. Similar to store-bought peel-off masks, gelatin hardens when it dries, pulling out hair when removed. Adding milk to this mixture makes it gentler and more nourishing. How to use: mix a tablespoon of gelatin powder with milk and a few drops of lemon juice. Heat until warm, apply, let dry, and peel off. 2. Turmeric and papaya mask. Turmeric and papaya have long been used in skincare due to their natural enzymes and anti-inflammatory properties. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which can weaken hair follicles, while turmeric has antimicrobial properties. How to use: mix a small piece of mashed papaya with turmeric powder to form a paste. Apply to the area and leave for 20 minutes before rinsing. 1. Sugar waxing, sugaring. Sugaring is a natural hair removal technique dating back to ancient Egypt. By combining sugar, lemon, and water, you create a sticky paste that pulls hair out from the root without the use of synthetic chemicals. Regular sugaring weakens the hair follicle over time, which can lead to thinner regrowth and, for some, potentially less hair in treated areas. How to use: heat sugar, lemon, and water until it forms a thick paste. Once cooled slightly, apply to clean skin in the opposite direction of hair growth, then pull in the direction of hair growth. These DIY hair removal techniques vary in effectiveness, and some require consistent application over time to see permanent results. With patience, these natural solutions can help you achieve smoother, hair-free skin without the need for salon visits or harsh chemicals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.